Other examples: sodium ion. Sodium, you know the full name sodium, Latin name natrium, and its symbol is Na. You already know the valency of sodium is 1. Now, this sodium can lose 1 electron. Therefore, the sodium can be written as Na plus. Means sodium lost 1 electron. I told you one positive charge indicates that it lost 1 electron. Therefore, when you write Na plus, means sodium lost 1 electron and now it is a positive ion. These positive ions are all basic radicals. And when electricity is passed in a solution which contains Na plus ion, it will go to the cathode. That is why it is known as cation. Other examples, what is given in the textbook, page number 49. First, monovalent basic radicals. In that, sodium and hydrogen we already explained. Next one is ammonium ion. Ammonium ion is made up of, actually you studied as a radical. In the radical, 34 radicals, you studied NH4 radical and its valency is 1. This is the only basic radical which contains 2 types of elements, that is nitrogen and hydrogen. 1 atom of nitrogen and 4 atoms of hydrogen join together and form this ammonium. This group of radical, that is group of atom which is known as radical, can lose only 1 electron. Therefore, NH4 can be written as NH4 plus. That means it can lose only 1 electron and it is a positive ion. For the examination, normally this radical is different from all the other. That means they are all in the atomic state, only one representation using atom can be represented. But this consists of 2 elements, therefore which is the positive radical consists of 2 elements, that means nitrogen and hydrogen. Therefore, since it can lose 1 electron, the valency can be written as plus 1. You already studied the valency as 1 without any sign. Now onwards, you have to study like this. If it is lose electron or it gain electron, that list you should know. Therefore, ammonium, it can lose electron, therefore its valency is 1. Next is lithium ion. Lithium symbol is Li and it can lose only 1 electron. Therefore, it can be written as Li plus. And you studied the valency as 1. Now you can write the valency as Li plus and plus 1 because lithium can lose only 1 electron. Next is silver ion. Silver ion, you know the full name silver, Latin name argentum, symbol Ag. The silver can lose only 1 electron. Therefore, it can be written as Ag plus. It goes to the cathode when it is subjected to electrolysis. Therefore, it is a cation. And since it loses 1 electron, the valency 1 can be written with a sign, positive sign. Always remember, when the electron lost, it is positive sign. When the electron gained, negative sign. Here, silver lost 1 electron, therefore the valency is plus 1. Similarly, potassium. You studied potassium, full name potassium and Latin name kalium and the symbol is K. This potassium can lose only 1 electron. Therefore, it can be written as K plus. and the valency what you studied is 1 can be written as plus 1 because potassium lose electron.